Hi there again. For experimentation purposes, I've decided to change the pots around. This one was sitting up on top of this pot with all the nuts and the bolts, which are example is one right there, and they were sitting like so at every point to let the pot sit on top of that for breathing, but I've gone ahead and changed that. There's still 4 candles burning. There's 5. Excuse me. There's 4 now. One has gone out. I'm wondering if it's getting smothered because of lack of air underneath here. But anyhow, I'm going to pause for a second, and then I'm going to put this large pot back on top. Be right there. Hold on.